In today's video, I'll show you how to turn this green screen behind me into this. Let me show you. First of all, you need your background. Choose your background, like this speech for example. Next, remove the end card at the end of the video for a much nicer look. Now that the background's done, it's time for the foreground now. Go to the menu below of the green screen clip and choose Remove BG. Then Chrome key. Now with the chroma key, choose the color that you want to remove, with the intensity button removing more of the foreground, and the shadow key acting as a vignette for the background. And this is also possible for not only the green, but any color that it selects. White, black, red, orange, you get the idea. And that's all of it now. If you have any other videos which you've made with a green screen, remember to do those too. And remember the same techniques you've done with the intensity, the key, and the shadow. If you have any additional questions, remember to ask them in the comments below. And voila! Now you know how to do a green screen with Capcut. If you have enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe. Or if you're not sure about subscribing, make sure to look at my latest video. Please, trust me, it's worth your time.